When it gets to this time of year and it's consistently cold, I always start looking back at videos that I've made in the past. Videos that I've made way before I even started this YouTube channel. And I happened across one last night, and it was 2021. And at that time, I had a market stall and I used to grow flowers and vegetables to sell on that market. But obviously to do that, you have to plan ahead so you've got stock for when people want it. So I started growing things in December and January when the temperatures were like they are now. And I just used the shed and I grew lots and lots of plants. But I didn't use any heating because even back then it was too expensive to have a shed heated day and night. I tried a couple of different ideas and eventually I managed to keep the shed at 70 degrees day and night without using an heater, and it was really cheap to do that. So when it gets cold like this and you think nothing's gonna grow, I look back at things like that and think you did it then, you can still do it now. You just need to make a few changes. Take a look. Just goes to show, little bit of work and a bit of thought, and I kept that shed at a good temperature at minimum cost to grow all these plants for that market stall until the temperatures picked up enough for me to be able to do it in the greenhouses again. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care.